This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Windshield wiper blade. Lift the arm assembly away from the glass for clearance. Use a small blade screwdriver to pry up the release lever, then slide the blade down and away from the arm to detach it. With the release lever in the up position, place the blade onto the arm and slide the blade up into the U-shaped section of the arm until the blade clicks into place and snaps the release lever closed. An audible click can be heard when the blade is locked into place. Gently lower the arm to the windshield.